Okay, welcome back. What we're going to do in this tutorial is teach you how to sign up for Austin County Buy and Sell. To sign up for Austin County Buy and Sell, you're going to need to go to the Join Now button, which you see right here. The Join Now button allows you to uh, move to the next page. The next page, if you'll notice, has your username. This is what you're known as to other users. It could be anything. It could be a nickname. If you want to use your real name, it's up to you. Just keep in mind that Austin County Buy and Sell is on the World Wide Web, and they don't call it the World Wide Web for nothing. Uh, Type in your username. Let's just say new user. You can put in your email address. New email at newemail.com. You put in your password. Your password is usually a combination of letters and numbers. It could be your last name with, say, your children's birth date or something. Just try to remember and make it something that you can remember. Something very easy to you, but that's unique to you that no one else can figure out. If you put in your password, whenever you start to put it, you'll notice the colors down here change. Strong means that it's a pretty good password. If it's not, it'll tell you weak, medium, strong. Then you have to put the same thing down again, and if they match, it'll come up. The next thing you do is go to the Help Us Eliminate Bots. What was happening is we were getting hundreds of spam email. I'm sure y'all are familiar with spam. But we were getting all kind of advertisements just hitting our website, usually from out of the country. So our web developer helped us by adding in a little more complex question. If you'll notice, it select all the objects with corners from the list below. Now, just use some sense. These change constantly, and the reason they do is because that way it requires human interaction. Your computers tend to find very easy things, and then they just start throwing all kinds of emails at that. So think of what has corners. A tomato doesn't have a corner. A ball doesn't have a corner. Neither does a sphere. A TV does. Air doesn't. Drop doesn't. A melon doesn't. A book does. A box does. And a door does. And once you click those, then you click Create Account, at which point it will tell you, it'll send it to your new email address. Your email address then, if you'll check your email now, because that was a made up thing, it'll take you back to this screen. And what you'll do then is you check your email, and it should have come in, and you just follow the steps in the email, and it'll tell you exactly what to do, and you'll have a new account. Now, if it doesn't show up in your email account relatively fast within the next few minutes, be sure and check your spam folder. A lot of people go, well, my email didn't show up. Well, if your account didn't recognize it as something very common from someone you know or anything, it'll sometimes shunt it over to the spam folder. Your spam folder then, once you click in there, you should find it. So that's what you need to do. And if you have any other questions, be sure and email us at austincountybuyandsell@gmail.com. Thanks again.